Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told to suppose that the function f has domain A and the function g has domain B. And we're asked what is the domain of f plus g, f times g, and f divided by g. So for f to have a domain A and g to have a domain B means that these functions can only take on values from A and B respectively. So for these functions, f plus g, f times g, f divided by g, the domain of these functions is the intersection of A and B. Because any point that is placed into this function, any value, has to be able to satisfy f and g. So you have to get the intersection of their domains, because those are the values that are in both the domain of f, so this will be a valid output, and the domain of g, so this will be a valid output. So all of their collective domains are A intersection B, with the caveat that here we have a fraction, so g in the denominator cannot equal 0. This is just one extra stipulation, but otherwise all of these have the collective domain of A intersection B.